Are you planning to appear for your NCLEX? Then you have stopped at the right place. Hello nurses, I am Nini Isaac, and in this video we would be talking to you about highlight item, which is one of the trickiest items on your NGN. So what are highlight items? Usually these questions are given in a form of case studies or a case scenario from which you need to select the right answer. Let us take a closer look into this item type. Here on this board is a highlight item. With the first look itself, you can see that it's pretty different from what you must have seen with the traditional MCQs or a SATA question, where a question stem followed by a few options would be there from which you need to select the right answer. But with the highlight item, you need to do a bit of your own investigations to find out what are the options given to you. Like for this example here on the screen, you can see a question is given with followed by a text box. And as you move your cursor on this text, you can see that the words are getting highlighted. Now these highlighted text is your option. So look into this example here. 52-year-old, this is getting highlighted. So this is one of the options given to you. Okay, let's move further into this text. Native American, this is the second option given to you. Moving further, now with this item type, you need to hover your mouse word by word into the text so that you come to know what are the available options given to you. So as I move, you can see some of the text is getting highlighted and some not. So whatever is getting highlighted, those are the options. So this is the third option that got highlighted. Moving further, we have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, then body mass index of 28, drinks 1 glass of red wine 3 times a week, stopped smoking cigarettes 1 year ago. So in this total text that is given here, 8 options are there. Okay, so what are the options given here? 52-year-old, Native American, medical history of testicular cancer, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, BMI of 28, drinks 1 glass of red wine 3 times a week, stopped smoking cigarettes 1 year ago. So as you can see here, 8 options are given from which you need to select the right answer. So let's go back to the question again. So what does the question says? The nurse is reviewing data for a client who is establishing primary care. Click to highlight the findings. Now this is the key term which will indicate that this question is a highlight item. So click to highlight the findings from the history and physical that are the high risk factors for type 2 diabetes mellitus. So basically this question is asking you to identify whether the options given are a risk factor for diabetes mellitus or not. So you can take each of the options as a true-false statement and let's see whether it's a risk factor or not. So the first option is 52-year-old. So we can see that advancing age is a risk factor for diabetes mellitus, isn't it? So that's the right option. The next option is Native American. Now, Native Americans are at a risk of developing diabetes mellitus because of their lifestyle and dietary preferences. So that's the right answer. Then third option is medical history of testicular cancer. Testicular cancer is usually not associated with diabetes mellitus, right? So you can cross that out. The next options are high blood pressure and high cholesterol. We definitely know that these two are an indicator of a risk factor for diabetes mellitus. Then we have BMI of 28. We know anything above 25 is a risk factor for diabetes. Drinking 1 glass of red wine 3 times a week. That's pretty fine, not very concerning to the nurse. So you can cross that out. Then last one is stopped smoking cigarettes 1 year ago. Now this is also not a risk factor as the client has already stopped cigarette smoking. So we can see we have 5 options right out of 8. Now how to select this answers? So again, you need to hover your mouse over the text and select the right answer. So the first one is 52-year-old, Native American. Then we have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and body mass index of 28. So whatever you select, those would be the answer. And like in case if you do not want to select this option, you can just declick it and it will be deselected. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through the comment box. Happy learning.